As you know, I was out last week and there were some things you were supposed to read or see and you did not. Rather than totally discarding the work, I'm going to give it to you and offer extra credit for it. There's 3 readings based on this region that you can pick up. I will have it at the front office for you, or you can have it in class. I'll also load it onto or into the folder probably for tomorrow or Friday's assignment. Also on Friday, you will do the guided reading lesson 2 activity quiz based on the readings we're doing Thursday today in class. If we don't get to all of it in class today, you still have to read it, the PDF that I uploaded, and then you'll have a quiz on it. But anyway, so April 14th, somewhere around April 14th, I want you to anchor tab the sort of the bright or hot pink, whatever color this is, reddish pinkish in on April 15th. The one on India. April 16th, you're going to put the monsoon handout, lavender in, and or April 15th. And then April 16th, you're going to put the case study on Southeast Asia. All of these are about monsoons and the weather in the region. You will end up with, on each side, you will have, I just lost what I had. You will have greetings. You'll have the green, the lavender, and this kind of hot pink looking one. Oops, that's not it. It is, one second. It is this one. Each of these half sheets will be worth 5 summative points in extra credit. But if you are in Gen Ed, you will need to do 3 to 4 sentences per question. If you are honors or pre-P tag, you will need to do 5 to 6 sentences per question. So there's 3 on each side. Okay. Then on the back, you'll also need to complete very thoroughly your answers on the back. Now, each one of those is worth 5 points each. They'll be added to the summative of your choice during this marking period. So far, I think we've had 2. We're going to have another. You're going to have a Unit 9 test next week, and then you'll have a Unit 10 test, and probably one other summative. So you will have future summatives that you can add these to if you made hundreds on all of your current summatives. Just kidding. Okay, if you're interested in getting 10 summative points per half sheet, you need to take what's on this sheet and you need to transfer it over to either an 8.5 by 11 printer paper or notebook paper. So you take all of your sentences and put them on one side, and then let's say you attach to it a poster size, meaning not poster size but just a regular paper size. You can go like legal size, don't make it too big, but take this information and put it in presentation form and be prepared to just say, okay, this is what I did, this is what I said, and this is why. This one is just one, so you take one word to describe the readings and you explain why you chose that word. Put this on a larger piece of paper, make it nice, and you can receive your 10 points. If you want to do a quick little video, if you're virtual or if you're bored this weekend, you can do a virtual video and upload that with this information, sharing it, and that'll be worth 10 points. Okay, so just this paper back to me is 5 points. A presentation, more of a presentation style using this information and your responses will be 10 points. It is due on Monday, April 26th by 4 p.m. if you're virtual. Monday, April 26th by the end of class if you are face-to-face on that day. I will not accept any papers past 4 o'clock on Monday. And once again, this is just for extra credit. Do it in class. Have any questions? Anyone here have any questions about it before?